What's going on, guys? Hope you guys have been good and are having a great week as usual. We're back today with another New Balance pickup. These are actually my first pair of 991s. Shout out to my Street Thing family and New Balance Singapore for blessing me with these. I actually missed out on these on release day and was so bummed, but I'm really grateful to have a pair of them on hand now. And it's gonna be the New Balance 991 20th anniversary made in UK editions. There are actually two iterations of these, the men's and women's colorways, with the women's having more hints of teal green on them. For clarification, these are the men's colorway. These are such a good looking pair of shoes. The colorway is amazing as well, and I'm way too hyped to finally have a pair of these. But before we begin, guys, of course I'm going to be hitting these with a quick lace swap. Factory knots for all my laces as always, and we'll be going with the 140 cm sail white laces for today. So let's get that done real quick and then on to the unboxing, guys. We've got a special edition made in England box. Really cool details on the insides, shouting out New Balance's Flimbeat factory, where all the made in UK stuff are manufactured. A white and green 20th anniversary dust bag, extra black laces. And now getting into the shoe. We've got a tonal grayish brown base, a meshed upper with that signature streamlined toe box, reflective 3M detailing, a black New Balance logo on the side for the men's edition, white and cream contrasts on the midsole, sitting on that absorb cushioning technology for the soles for superior comfort. 2001 stamps on the heels, an homage to the year the 991s were released. New Balance 991 branding on the tongue, with a special 20th anniversary tab on the underside. And finally, a sail white lace swap to finish it off. As for sizing, the 991 does have a slimmer toe box area. Because of this, I actually recommend going up half a size your usual New Balance size. I'm usually a US 9 on New Balance, but had to go up to a US 9.5 on these because the toe box area was way too snug and hurt my toes. So unless you've got really small toes, I'd highly recommend going up at least half a size on these guys. And now that we've got all that out of the way, let's get into the fun bits with some on-foot looks and style tips. And there you go guys. That was 3 ways to style the New Balance 991 20th anniversary made in UK editions. Let me know which is your favorite looks 1 through 3. Honestly, I think these are one of the best New Balance releases as of late. That brownish grey colorway is just so calm. Plus, the added signature comfort of New Balance makes these an easy addition to any collection. If you're like me and haven't added a 991 to your collection, I'd highly advise these being your first pair. But with that being said, that's gonna be it for me today guys. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please drop a like, share or comment. It does help me out with the YouTube algorithm. If you enjoy my content or would like to support me, please hit that subscribe button. Also, if you want more content from me throughout the week, don't forget to check out my Instagram. And yeah, much love guys. Peace. See you guys again soon.